Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I will show you step by step on how to install the Pormido red wire into your vehicle.
So the next thing we got to do is prepare the red wire. And what we do is we use the tail light, the reverse light, to connect the red wire to. So what you got to do is pull off your tail light. If you're not sure how to do it, just go to YouTube, enter your car information and how to remove the tail light, and it'll give you step by step on how to do that. Once you get your tail light, you flip it over and you can see those two wires coming out. One of those wires is going to be the one you need. Now, since I've been doing this a few years, I noticed that the light wires come in from the inside to the outside, so I could just tap into those. Let me show you what that is. Now, the way you connect your red wire to the inside light, see this green with black? That's the one that I'm using. That's the one that goes to the reverse light. And you can see there's already some slits that I used from installing previous cameras. So what I use are T-taps. And what this is so the wire that you need to break, you put it in those teeth. And then you close this and it creates a seal. And that's how you do it. And then with the red wire, you connect the end of the red wire to this terminal and you put them together and it creates a circuit that goes to your backup light, to your dash cam. Now the wire already came slit there. So all I got to do is insert the terminal into the wire there. So now I'm going to put the red wire inside there. But just be careful, don't go all the way in because you don't want the wire sticking out of the terminal. You want it to create a seal. So I think I'm good. I'm going to press firmly to create that seal. Go down a little bit more. And then what you want to do is very lightly tug at it to make sure it's stiff, and it is there. So that means it's not going to come out. If you pull it out, you're going to have to use another one because it's very hard to put these back in there. Next, we're going to get our T-tap here. You can see where I have the T-tap. And all I got to do now is close it. So it's going to break the seal, which is already did the installation because I used this before. And what I'm going to do is squeeze it in. Then I'm going to get some pliers to make sure it's to create a good seal on there. I'm going to squeeze on it. I'm going to maneuver it to make sure it's good. It's good. That T-tap we installed has an opening there. And you want to make sure that that silver piece inside there goes right in the middle to create a seal. And it just goes straight in there like this. That's how you do it. And you got to make sure that the silver part is not on the outside of each end. And it's not. So that means this is working correctly. Now what you can do at time, go to your dash cam, make sure you see the rear camera, then put your car in reverse to see if you see those grid lines before you put any of this back. Everything works here, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the car and we're going to go through the dash cam itself. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and select all notifications because I got another video of how to set all the settings, how to play back videos, and also have a review of this dash cam. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video. And if you're interested in this product, I'll put links in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!